Mama's all done with the water pooper. Water's over. You want more water? Want more? Here you go. You like the water? You want to put your wing up? No. There it is. Come on, give me that wing. Come on, girl. You want Mama to get that wing? Come on, I'm getting wet, girl. Good job, Mama. Good job. You want more? How about this wing? You want this one up? Blanca, I'm getting wet. But are you enjoying yourself? Say, I love the water, Mama. You want more? Come on, put the wing up. You want me to get it? That's my bird bath. Good girl. Are you all done? Because I am. All done? Shake it off. There you go, Mama. Shake it off. Good job. Okay. I'm wet. All done? Good bird bath? You feel good now? You good? Do you feel good, Mama? I feel good, Mama. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You're a pretty girl. Oh, my goodness, my Blanca. Ready? Okay, let's go get your towel.